Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make another lava shake. I have my helper Sebastian here, and we have a special request for flavors from Grandpa. And what we're going to use today is we're going to use 1 scoop of our vanilla Formula 1 and 1 scoop of our Dulce Formula 1. Now remember, when you're making a shake, you use 2 scoops of your Formula 1 in every shake. But you can totally mix and match the flavors to come up with new flavor variations. So we're going to use 1 scoop of each of these, and as always, 1 or 2 scoops of your protein drink mix. Now the protein drink mix is how we customize the protein that's in your shake. So make sure that you and your coach know what your personal protein numbers are, so you get the right amount of PDM in. For the LiftOff, we're going to use our new LiftOff flavor. This is the Blackberry Spark. And you'll notice that this LiftOff is a little different than the ones that you've seen in our videos so far. The formulation is exactly the same as always, so you still get the full complement of B vitamins, you get the vitamin C, you get the ginseng, the ginkgo, the L-taurine, all of those benefits. The formulation is exactly the same. These are labeled a little bit differently because they've gone through NSF certification for professional athletes, so that professional athletes can use these, and there's no kind of herbal things that are going to get in the way of their drug testing and things like that. So the formulation is exactly the same. It's simply a new flavor, and it looks a little different. They now have them for us in the stick packs. So you know how one of our steps is to crush up the LiftOff tablet? You don't have to do that because this is a stick pack of the powder, which is super cool. So we're going to use the Blackberry LiftOff. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to put the LiftOff in a glass and put just a little bit of water in it to get it to dissolve. Now with the lava shakes, it's really fun because when you pour the frozen shake in over the LiftOff, it just kind of like marbles through your shake. So it kind of looks like lava running through your shake. Just a small amount of water, just enough to get it mixed. That might be an ounce of water. It's less than a tablespoon. Okay, so while this is doing its thing, I'm gonna set it aside. I also have my 2 cups of ice. And what I'm gonna do is put the ice in my blender, and then I'm gonna fill this to where it's at the 12-ounce mark. Now we're just gonna put everything else in the blender, both of our Formula 1 flavors and our protein drink mix. Since this one's for Maurice, we're gonna use 2 scoops of the protein powder. Okay, now that's all blended up. Set that aside, bring our glass back over here, and this is all dissolved now. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna change the camera angle, and we're gonna pour this over nice and slow. And there you go. Of course, if you don't want to do all of that, you can totally just put the LiftOff into your blender and blend it up with everything else. But isn't it gorgeous?